Today we're taking a glimpse into the future with something incredible, the brand new Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. The thing I wanted to showcase in this video is the video quality. What you're watching now is video taken right on the glasses themselves. It's in an aspect ratio that Meta records in. It isn't landscape, it's a 3.4 aspect ratio. These aren't so much smart glasses as they are social media glasses. Almost everything about the Ray-Ban Meta specs is centered around sharing to social media platforms. So forget about the chunky headsets and bulky AR devices. These shades come straight out of Avengers, Tony Stark type of movie. So let me know what you guys think about the video quality in the comments. Hopefully this helps you in what to expect if you were looking to get these smart glasses.